nerds, and today I'm going to be playing some more GTA. I'm going to face myself with the train. Who wins? Oh god, what have I done? I won, but I think I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Or another train. I think I'm stuck. Hang on a second. Yeah! Out of my freaking way. Oh dear. I broke a bridge. I'm sorry. I found a really heavy truck. Whee! So yeah, play some more I'm gonna play some more Just Cause. Just Cause I can. Did I say GTA first? Oh crap. Trees. Ha! You have met your match. Every game, trees are immortal and can never be moved or destroyed. In this game, I have my revenge. And oh, is it sweet. Apparently every vehicle has stats as well. This thing, all the power in the world. Yes. Also, it might be storming. If you can hear that. It's slightly raining. Also, I'm using this crap mic again because the other one is looking at it. Who needs to drive up a hill when you can just hop up it? Boing, boing. Alright, let's play chicken with someone. I take up all of the road. Plus some, because the ladder. Alright. Guy in a bike. Guy in a bike, guy in a bike, guy in a bike, guy in a bike, guy in a bike. Stupid tunnel. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Uh-oh. 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 Problems? Much problem. Ooh, a helicopter. Ooh, a helicopter with guns. It is much better than your basic helicopter because it has guns.
Here he comes, the king of the rebels.
Sam! That's what you get. Aerial assassination. Dude, I got this under control. I am the aerial assassin.
Way to go, Rico.
I win. Ooh, weapons. Ooh, thunder. What are you doing? Actually, I should be nice and just take that off the road. Whoa, that went off to space. What are you doing? You're gonna get ran over. Go back to the outpost before that man runs you over. Or, it's us. God, take your time, why don't you? Hurry! God. Oh my god, more people. You know what? I'll just take this. This is mine now. Mine.
When I was a kid, I dreamed of being in the military. They feed you all that garbage at school about the greatness of the general. I woke up somewhere in my teens. I guess I was one of the lucky ones.
Uh-huh. Cool story, bro. Listen, I don't care. Bye. Have fun! I am Iron Man. Fear me flying through these skies. Haha.
Sorry about that.
I'm not. Hello. Goodbye. Ow! Oh, my face. Here, I'll be nice. Clean the road. We need to drive. What are you guys doing? Expecting the explosion to see what the heck happened? I can tell you now, it was not me. Ooh, free jet. Mine now. I have a jet on my back, but this is this will go faster. Way faster. Sorry, this is mine now. Ooh. It's got a minigun and homing missiles. bada boom. So am I going really fast? Why am I going really fast? Go faster. This hill will help me go faster, won't it? Because gravity? Yeah. Fly. Fly. Fly? What the? What? Gravity? Physics? Science? Ooh, I wonder what happens if I shoot those. Aww. I am sad. I wanted them to explode like the jet did. Unnecessarily. Uh-huh. I don't think that's how it works. Oh, is that going to impale me? I'm sorry. Oh my, it's freaking out. No, no more water. You freak out with water. Just stay there. This is a vehicle I have not chosen yet. All I know is that it goes in water. No, it's not a boat. It's a plane! Aha! Yes. Ooh. Excuse me, sir, you are in the way. Have fun fishing. Alright. Up we go! Ooh, I like the sound of plane. Plane. Ah. What's that down there? A train. Perfect. Hang on, how do I... That's it. Yes. Have at thee! Aha! Suck it, train, I win! Oh, hang on. Aha! In your face! Ooh, a second train. Let's circle around. Dun 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 dun. Here comes the plane. Tell you what, the next train that comes by, they die. Come on. Aha! Have at thee! I am victorious! Ah! Suck it, train! Haha! In your face! I win! Stupid trains. In view of authorities. Cool! Let's dive bomb them. Alright, where are the authorities? Dead! That's where they are! I probably shouldn't have done that, because I don't have a plane anymore. But I do have a jetpack. Aha! No. I'll stop bugging the trains. Trains are God here. They will destroy you. You gotta be really careful. Ruins. Ooh. Cool. I know just what to summon here. A fancy smancy helicopter. Have at thee, train! Haha! Die, train! Ah! Two can play at that game. Haha! Aha! Aha! In your face! Oh god! Oh! Oh! Ow! Second silo. This time, he's gonna get real quick. Because I have the weapon. No, not even the weapon, just the weapon. Witness. The weapon.
Rico, fratre, what are you doing?
I don't know!
All hail Rico!
She gets it. Two can play at this game! I believe I won. Check. Mate. Oh, nope, you crashed. Well, suck it. believe that is checkmate. I won. Haha.
And after all of that, he still got his butt handed to him by a train. Stop! There's no hammer time. But I will say thank you for watching my video, and like it if you liked it. That's what that button's for. And possibly share with your buddies. I know I will. Bye.